Hello friends, today I'm doing another unboxing of Black Friday things that I've got. So this time I've got also Columbia jacket from Black Friday day, and it's on sale. And this one is made in Vietnam, woman's Lake 22 down long hooded jacket. So this one, in comparison to other one that I unboxed, is just longer version, and I also got it in one size bigger, as it's XX, and this one is in black color. So here is the jacket. Ta-da! So it looks like the same like other ones, but it's just different, longer one, and it's also in different color. It has this Columbia sign, which is like this. This is Columbia and 650 number here, which is power of the down inside. And this is heat seal construction, which says on the tag, responsible down heat seal collection. Original 150, but it's for 60 bucks online, and I had some rewards too, few bucks, I mean 10 bucks. And it has two pockets in front, like they are zippered and quite spacious. And it doesn't have any cinching system. It's just like scuba hood, which is just simple construction, and it's not detachable. And this coat doesn't have any omni heat, it's just simple. Oh, and what else? Does it have any pockets? No. Inside doesn't have pockets. So sleeves also come with this thing around, same as the hood. This coat is really lightweight, and it's perfect for some hiking or traveling, because you can pack it in your backpack, and it's really light and doesn't take much space. So that's the plus, and it's great for in between seasons like spring and fall, and winter also, but I wouldn't recommend it in the temperatures below 30s, I think, because I have similar coat, and it was one day I had it from Columbia, and it was really windy and near 30s, and I was cold. So and it also has omni heat inside. That's Columbia Down Valley, and I was cold in it, so that's more for winter. But unless you already have warm things, layers underneath, then you can wear it like in below 30s, or you can wear, for example, Sherpa jacket underneath, and it should be fine. So I will try this one on and see how it looks on me. Let's try it on. So let's zip it up, this jacket, at least has two-way zipper, not like other one. Because short one had one-way zipper, and this has two-way zipper, so that's better. And this is how it looks on me. So this is how it looks. So sleeves are a little bit longer because this is sleeves are longer because this is the X large, but you can do a trick like this. Put them like inside and then you have like this, and it doesn't seem too long. The same with other one. Here it has some contouring going on, so that's good because it doesn't look so bad. And on the side it looks like this. Here it looks like this. Sleeves are a little bigger than I used to, but because if I would get size X large, then it would be too tight. Because I have a little bit bigger chest and also a little bit belly going on, so that's why. But if you guys are slim here and here, then you don't have to size up. So this coat also is long and runs to a little bit above my knees, like 4 inches or something like that. Yeah, and I feel now sweating a little bit in this coat here inside. So I think it's that power down is working. Because in my other Columbia coat, which is not down one, I wasn't sweating inside. And in this one I feel like I'm sweating a little bit. I like that it's lightweight and it's longer, so for winter might be a nice option. And it has hood, which is a little big on me, but I don't use hood too much. But when you will have something else, like I could do it like this, and then it's better. So yeah. And the pockets are fine, not too low, not too high. So I like that. is on sale. It's worth the price. I recommend it. So yeah, I have to ending my video as I'm getting hot in this cold here. So that's why I am ending my videos for today. Hope you enjoy such a video. If you do, thumbs up and subscribe for more unboxings, more vlogs and other videos, and see you in the next one. Bye.